Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's see the 11th question here. In the adjoining figure, PA and PB are tangents to a circle with center O. So there is a circle with center O and PA is a tangent and PB is the another tangent. The measure of angle APB. So we have to find the angle APB means angle at P. So this is what we have to find. So here we know that angle around the center is 360 degrees. This total angle is 360 degrees. So already we have given 210 degrees, right? So this angle will be equals to how much? 360 degrees minus 210 degrees. So it is equals to 150 degrees. So angle at the center, this side is 150 degrees. So angle at A is 90 degrees. Angle at B is 90 degrees because the angle between the tangent and radius is 90 degrees. So let us think the angle at P is theta. So we know that in triangle, sorry, in quadrilateral, APBO quadrilateral, this one APBO quadrilateral, sum of the all the angles is equals to 360 degrees. So that means angle at A plus angle at B plus angle at P, which is theta, plus angle at O. This angle is named as angle AOB. So all are equals to 360 degrees, sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral. It is a four-sided figure, right? So angle at A is 90 degrees. Angle at B is also 90 degrees. This one. Angle at P is theta degrees. Next angle AOB. Angle at O is 150 degrees equals to 360 degrees. So 90 plus 90 180 plus 150 is 330 degrees. So 330 degrees plus theta is equals to 360 degrees. Send 330 right side. Now theta will be equals to 360 minus 330. So theta is equals to 360 minus 330, 30 degrees. So angle at P, that means angle APB is 30 degrees. So option D is right answer. So the next question is 12th question. 1 minus tan square 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 30 degrees is equal to. So here options are given: sin 60, tan 60, cos 60, sec 60. So let's see what do we get if you solve this one. So what is given? Let's write what is given. So it is given that 1 minus tan square 30. So 1 minus tan square 30 degrees whole by 1 plus tan square 30 degrees. So let's find it. So it is equals to 1 minus tan square 30 is 1 by root 3. So here we have square. So 1 by root 3 whole square by 1 plus, here again tan square 30. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 whole square. So now it is equals to 1 minus 1 square is 1, root 3 whole square is 3. So minus 1 by 3. Now 1 plus 1 square, here 1 square is 1 and root 3 whole square is 3. So 3. So 1 minus 1 by 3 whole by 1 plus 1 by 3. So now what do we get here? Here we have to multiply 1 and 3. 1 into 3, 3. Here also 1 into 3, 3. So what is the next step? 3 minus 1 whole by 3 in the numerator place. In the denominator place, we'll get 3 into 1, 3 plus 1 by 3. Now it will be equals to 3 minus 1, 2 by 3 here. 3 plus 1 by 3, which is equals to 4 by 3. Both denominators gets cancelled. Now what do we have? We will have 2 by 4. So 2 by 4 is equals to, after cancellation, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So here we will get 1 by 2, right? It is equals to 1 by 2. So it is equals to, this 1 by 2 is equals to cos 60 degrees. So cos 60 degrees is the right answer. So where is that option? Let's see the option. So here option B is right answer. Cos 60 degrees is right answer. Next 13th question is, an observer 1.8 meters tall stands away from a chimney at a distance of 38.2 meters along the ground. The angle of elevation of top of chimney from the eyes of observer is 45 degrees. The height of the chimney above the ground. So here we need to find the height of the chimney. So what it is given? The height of the observer is given, and that observer is standing away from the chimney at a distance of 38.2 meters. From the eyes of the observer, the angle of elevation of the top of the chimney is 45 degrees. And we need to find the total height of the chimney. So let's draw the figure according to the question. So let us think. So this is a chimney and the observer is here. So observer height is given 1.8 meters. Let us draw the horizontal line from the eyes of the observer. So here, from the eyes of the observer, the top of the chimney is 45 degrees. So now let us name this figure A, B, C, D and E. If DC is 1.8 meters, then EB is also 1.8 meters. And it is given that the distance between the chimney and the observer is 38.2 meters. If BC is 38.2 meters, DE is also 38.2 meters. So let us think this AE is X. Okay, now we have to find this total height of the chimney, that is AB. Okay, so from triangle ADC, let's take this triangle ADC. From triangle ADC, it is a right angle triangle because the angle at B is 90 degrees, angle at E is also 90 degrees, they are corresponding angles. So from triangle ADE, apply tan 45 degrees. So here tan 45 is opposite side is AE, that is X, adjacent side is DE, that is 38.2 meters. Now we know that tan 45 is equals to 1. So 1 is equals to X by 38.2. If you bring this 38.2 left side, now it becomes 38 into 38.2 into 1 is equals to 38.2. Now we will get X is equals to 38.2 meters. So X is equals to 38.2 meters. Now what is the total height of the chimney? If X is 38.2 meters, now chimney is nothing but AB. AB is x plus 1.8 meters. This x distance AE and this EB distance is 1.8. Now x is already we got 38.2 plus 1.8 meters. So total height of the chimney is 40 meters. So which option has this one? Option C has this option, this question. So this option C has 40 meters. So option C is right answer. Next see 14th question. What is the 14th question here? The 14th question is in the adjoining figure, the sum of radii of two concentric circles is 16 centimeters. If you add the radii of two concentric circles, so it is equals to 16 centimeters. Two concentric circles means the circles with the same center O. So this is the circle with center O and this is also circle with center O. That's how they are called as concentric circles. The length of the chord AB which touches the inner circle at P is 16 centimeters. So length of chord AB is given. This AB is touching the inner circle at P. So that means this AB is tangent to the smaller circle. So what is the difference between the difference between radii of the circles? We have to find the difference between radii of the circles. So let's try to find it. So it is given sum of the radii is given. So let us think here OP is the radius of smaller circle and OA is the radius of larger circle. Let us think this is OP is X and OA is Y. So we know that the perpendicular line drawn from the center angle at P is 90 degrees because angle between the tangent and radius. AB is the tangent and OP is the radius. So angle at P is 90 degrees and this OP bisects AB because the angle, the perpendicular line drawn from the center on the chord AB bisects the chord. So it is already given that AB is 16 centimeters. If AB is 16 centimeters, now AB will be 8 and this PB is also 8. Now it is already given that what it is given y plus x larger circle radius and smaller circle radius is equals to 16 centimeters. So it is already given in the problem. So we have to find the difference between the radii, means we have to find y minus x, what is the value of this one. So from triangle OAP apply the Pythagoras theorem. From triangle OAP apply the Pythagoras theorem. This OA is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equals to y square is equals to square of the sum of the squares of other two sides. So x square plus 8 square y square, if you bring minus x square left side, so x square left side becomes minus x square equals to 8 square is 64. Now this y square minus x square can be written as a square minus b square formula. Y square minus x square can be written as a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b means y plus x into y minus x equals to 64. So here already we know the value of y plus x. So this y plus x is equals to 16. So 16 into y minus x equals to 64. Send this 16 right side. Now what it becomes? Y minus x equals to 64 by 16. 16 ones are 16 fours are. So we get y minus x equals to 4. The difference between radii of the circles is 4. So which option has this one? So let's check here. Option B is right answer. Next, see 15th question. What is the 15th question? A cone of height 12 centimeters and slant height 13 centimeters is surmounted on a hemispherical hemisphere having radius equal to that of cone. A cone of height 12 and slant height 13 is on the hemisphere. The entire height of the solid is, what is the entire height of the solid? Let's try to draw the figure. The cone is on the hemisphere, so this is the hemisphere with radius some r, and on the hemisphere we have a cone. So here we don't know the radius of both are same. Let us think this is r. Now height of the cone is given. What is the height of the cone? It is 12 centimeters. And the slant height of the cone is given. Slant height is 13 centimeters. So what will be the total height of the solid? It will be nothing but this 12 plus, now this part, let us name it as a b c and d. So this bd is also radius. So this ab plus bd will be equals to the total height of the cone. So now this abc is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. Apply the Pythagoras theorem for this right angle triangle. So if you apply square of hypotenuse means AC square equal to sum of the squares of other two sides means AB square plus BC square, which is R square. So AC is 13. So 13 square is equals to AB 12 square plus R square. So 13 square is 169 equals to 12 square is 144 plus r square. So 169, if you bring 144 left side, minus 144 equals to r square. So otherwise we can write r square is equals to 169 minus 144 is 25. Square root r is equals to square root of 25. You will get r value 5. So this r value is 5. Now what is the total height? Total height of the solid is nothing but 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 is equals to 17 centimeters. So let's check which option has the 17 centimeters. So option A has this one. So option A is right answer. So next 16th question is, what is the 16th question? If x median plus y mean is equals to z mode is empirical relationship between mean, median and mode, then what is the value of x plus y plus z? So we have to find x plus y plus z. So for that we have to find what is the coefficient of median here, x, the number before y mean, the number before mode z. So but we know the form, what is the, we know the relationship between these three things, mean, median, mode. What is the formula? We know that mode is equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. 3 median minus 2 mean. But it is given that, what is given? Z mode. Let us write. So Z mode is equals to x median plus y mean. So x median plus y mean. So let's compare these two things, then we will get what is this xyz. Okay, let's compare. So to compare, the sign should be same. Here we have minus, here we have plus. The coefficient of mean here is 2 minus 2, and here we have plus y. Let's make this plus y to minus. How it is possible? Z mode is equals to x median. I can write this plus y as minus of minus y mean. So now let's compare. Here the coefficient of mode is 1. Here the coefficient of mode is z. So that means z is equals to 1. Here the coefficient of median is 3. Here the coefficient of median is x. So that means here x is equals to 3. Here the coefficient of mean is 2 and coefficient of mean is here minus y. So this minus and this minus is common, and coefficient of mean is here 2 and coefficient of mean is y. That means minus y is equals to 2. That will give us y is equals to minus 2. So we need to find x plus y plus z, right? X plus y plus z. Sum of these three things, x is 3, y is minus 2, z is 1. So 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2. So 2 is the right answer. Let's check where is this 2 in the given options. So which option is right here? Option C is right answer. Next, check the 17th question. What is the 17th question? The following data shows the marks obtained by 100 students in a class test. Here marks are given, number of students are given. 20 marks 6 students, 29 marks 28 students, 28 marks 24 students, 33 marks 15 students, 42 marks 2 students, 38 4 students, 43 1 student, 25 20 students. So first of all, what type of data it is? It is an ungrouped frequency distribution table. To find the median of ungrouped frequency distribution table, we have to arrange the observations in ascending order. So let's arrange the observations in ascending order. Here first smallest observation is 20. So this 20 is 6 times frequency, and next smallest is after 20, this 25. So this 25 is 20 times. Next smallest observation is 28. So this 28 is 24 times, and after that 29. This 29 is 28 times. Next after that 33. So this 33 15 times. Next after that 38. 38 is 4 times. Next 42 is 2 times. Next 43 1 time. So total number of observations are 100. So that is what we know it. So let's find the cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency, sum of the frequencies from top to bottom. So here the first one is 6, means so 20 observations. So there are 6 students who got 20. Next so that means this observation 20 is 6 times. Next 6 plus this 20, this one 26, 26 plus 24, which is equals to 50. 50 plus this 28 is equals to 78. 78 plus 15 is 90. This is 93. 93 plus this 4 is equals to 97. 97 plus this 2 is equals to 99. 99 plus this one is equals to 100. So here the meaning is from observation 7 to observation 26, 25. The observation is 25. From observation 27 to observation 50, 27th observation to 50th observation, it is only the number 28. From 51st to 78, it is only observation 29. From 79th to 93, it is only 33. From 94 to 97, it is only 38. From 98 to 99, it is only 42. From 90, sorry, only 100. After 99, it is only observation 43. So here the total number of observations are 100. So 100 is the even number. So when there are even number of observations, median will be the average of n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. So this is the median will be average of these two things. Average of n by 2 means 100 by 2, which is 50th observation, and n by 2 plus 1 means 50 plus 1, 51st observation. So what is the 50th observation here? As I told before, from 27 to from 27th observation to 50th observation is only 28. So 58th observation is 28. Next, 51st observation, from 51 to 78 is only 29. 51st observation is 29. So median will be the average of 28 and 29th observation. Let's check which option is right here. The average of 28 and 29th observation. Option C is right answer. Next, 18th question. What is the 18th question here? The probability of getting a composite number greater than 3 on throwing a die. When a die is thrown, what is the probability of getting a composite number greater than 3? So let's check what are the possible outcomes when a die is thrown. A die has 6 faces, therefore the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, what are the composite numbers greater than 3? So here, what are the composite numbers? The numbers that are not prime numbers, the numbers that have more than two factors. Here the composite numbers are: 4 is a composite number, it has more than two factors. 6 is a composite number, it has more than two factors. So what is the probability of composite number? Number of composite numbers, here number of composite numbers are 2. Here total number of numbers outcomes are 6. So number of composite numbers are 2 and total possible outcomes are 6. So 2 ones are 2 threes are. Now answer will be 1 by 3. So the probability of getting a composite number greater than 3 is 1 by 3. So let's check which option has this one. 1 by 3 option 1 by 3. Option B is right answer. So next, assertion, 19th question, assertion: for an acute angle theta, sin theta is equals to 3 by 5, cos theta is equals to minus 4 by 5. We have to check whether this is true or false. How we check? By using the first identity. What is the first identity? The first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta should be equals to 1. If these two numbers will satisfy this one, then the option assertion A is true. So what is the sin square theta here? Sin square theta, here theta value is 3 by 5, so 3 by 5 whole square plus cos theta is minus 4 by 5 whole square. So let's check whether it is equal to 1 or not. 3 by 5, 3 square is 9 and 5 square is 25, plus minus 4 whole square is plus 16, 5 square is 25. So now it is equals to the denominators are same, right? So we can add the numerators. 9 plus 16 by 25, it is equals to 9 plus 16, 25 by 25. So 25 cancel. Now it is equals to 1. So this assertion is true. because it is satisfying the first identity, so this is true. Now let's check the reason. What is the reason? For any value of theta greater than or equal to 0 degrees and 90 less than or equals to 90 degrees, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Yes, for any angle between 90 and 0 degrees, the sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is true. So this option reason is also right answer. So which option we have to choose for this one? We have to choose option A because reason is correct explanation for this first one assertion. So option A we have to choose it. Next, the 28th question is assertion for an AP 3 comma 6 comma 9 till 198, the 10th term from the last from the end is 168. So the 10th term from the end is 168. Let's check whether we get the same 168 or not. So what is the given AP arithmetic progression? It is given that the arithmetic progression is 3 comma 6 comma 9 till the last term is 198. Here the first term is 3 and the common difference a2 minus a1, 6 minus 3, which is equals to 3. Here the common difference is 3 and the last term is also given, that is 198. So if you want to find the 10th term from the last, then write the AP reverse. That means last term will become the first term 198. The number before 198 is minus 198 minus 3, 195 till it is equals to the till the last term is 3. So here what is the first term here? To find the 10th term from the last, so the first term will be a will be the first term will be the last term, which is equals to 198, and the common difference will be minus d. Common difference will be equals to minus d. So here 195 minus 198. When we write the arithmetic progression in the reverse order, the sign of common difference will change. Plus d will become minus d. So it is equals to minus 3. So here common difference d is plus 3. Here it is minus 3. Now what is the formula to find the 10th term? What is the formula? We have to apply the nth term formula. What is the nth term formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. Now A10 is equals to A. What is that A term here? 198. So in place of A we can write L. N minus 1 into D. What is the D? D became the minus D. So now this will be equals to L plus, sorry, L, this is minus D, right? 9 minus 1 into minus D is minus N minus 1 into D. So to find the 10th term or any term from the last, so this is the formula. What is that? The last term minus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula. So what is given in the reason? In the reason it is given that for a and l are the first term and the last term of an AP with the common difference d, then nth term from the end of the given AP is given as L minus n minus 1 d. So this is true. That is what just now we got. Now let's apply n value 10, whether we get 168 or not. So let's apply this one. A10. A10 is equals to L value 198 minus n minus 1 means 10 minus 1, and the common difference d value is just, it is 3. So 198 minus 10 minus 1, 9 into 3. So 198 minus 27 is equals to 171. So the 10th term will be 171. So let's check whether this is true or false. Here it is given 10th term is 168, but we got 171. It is false. So this option assertion is false. So which option we have to choose? A is false or is true? A is false or is true means option D we have to choose.